Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to disable background apps in your Windows 10 PC. First open your start menu and open run. After opening run, you can type msconfig in the open slot. After typing msconfig, you can click on OK and a window will appear. After that window appeared, you can see services. Now go to service tab and you can see many softwares running in your background. In this first we have to clear the Microsoft softwares, so you can see in the bottom hide all Microsoft services. Now we should press hide all Microsoft. After selecting hide all Microsoft services, you cannot see the Microsoft services which are running in your background. Now you can see many programs running in background. In this we have to select a particular program and we should stop that are running in background. I already have stopped some programs which are not important to run in background, and some programs are important to run in background. You should not disable that program. If you disable that program, your computer may crash. Now after selecting apply, it will ask reset. Now I'm not pressing reset, but it is necessary to reset your computer. You do reset and next open your task manager. After opening your task manager, you can go to your startup menu. In this, you can see many applications. In this, some applications will be disabled and some it will be enabled. Maximum everything will be enabled when you first time go inside the startup menu, or first time if you download or download the application. Now some application are enabled. For now, I'm disabling some applications that are not necessary. Um, Okay, now classic start menu is for me necessary, so I'm not disabling that menu. So Cortana is not necessary for me, so I'm disabled that menu. Okay, now we can go to your PC settings and we can go to, after going to PC settings, you should type in the search menu background apps. After typing background apps, you can open your background apps and maximum it will be turned on. Every apps will be turned on. In this you have to select a particular app which you need, and you can disable the remaining apps. If you don't want any app in this, you can directly turn off every apps in the top. If you turn off in the top, you cannot turn on separately some apps you need. So first of all, you need to turn on the main menu, and next only you can deselect some of the apps. Okay, now Xbox game bar are important, so some of them use Xbox game bar. I will not use that, so I disabled all the apps in this. So I know no need this apps, so I'm going to disable everything. Okay guys, that's all in this video. See you in next video. Bye guys.